Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a detailed review of the Asus ROG Strix XG27ACS gaming monitor. This 27-inch beast promises high-performance gaming at a reasonable price. Let's find out if it lives up to the hype. First off, let's talk about the design and build quality of the Asus ROG Strix XG27ACS. It features a sleek and minimalistic design typical of Asus's ROG Strix lineup. Despite its mid-range pricing, the build quality feels premium with a fully adjustable stand that includes height, tilt, swivel, and pivot adjustments. This monitor definitely feels sturdy and well built, which is great considering its intended gaming use. Moving on to the display quality, this monitor sports a 27-inch IPS panel with a 1440p resolution. This combination is widely considered the sweet spot for gaming, offering a good balance between screen real estate and sharpness without overly taxing your GPU. The panel delivers vibrant colors and excellent viewing angles, thanks to its IPS technology. It's also factory calibrated, which means out of the box, you're getting pretty accurate colors without needing much tweaking. Now, let's delve into performance. The Asus ROG Strix XG27ACS boasts a 180Hz refresh rate and a 1 millisecond response time, which are impressive specs for fast-paced gaming. Whether you're into competitive shooters or immersive RPGs, this monitor handles motion smoothly with minimal ghosting or blurring. It's definitely geared towards gamers who prioritize responsiveness and fluid gameplay. Regarding HDR capabilities, it's important to manage expectations. This monitor is HDR 400 certified, offering up to 400 nits of peak brightness. While it enhances some aspects of visual fidelity, especially in SDR mode, it lacks local dimming zones crucial for true HDR performance. For gaming, it does a decent job of enhancing colors and contrasts, but it's not on par with higher-end HDR displays. Let's talk about some additional features. The Asus ROG Strix XG27ACS includes connectivity options like DisplayPort 1.4, HDMI 2.0, and a USB-C port with limited power delivery. It's nice to have these options, although the USB-C port might be underwhelming for users expecting higher power output for device charging. On the downside, while HDR is supported, it's not the best we've seen due to the absence of local dimming. The USB-C port's limited power delivery might also disappoint some users looking for more versatility. So, should you consider buying the Asus ROG Strix XG27ACS? If you're in the market for a solid gaming monitor that doesn't break the bank, this is a compelling option. It strikes a good balance between performance and price, making it suitable for both casual gamers and those who take their gaming seriously. That wraps up our review of the Asus ROG Strix XG27ACS. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth reviews like this. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or if there's another product you'd like us to review next.